Hello YouTube. We're going to keep this video short and sweet since usually this is not the type of video I'm making. But I'm hoping this is going to help somebody. So let me tell you about the issue. I got a 2016 Honda CRV here, 135,000 miles. It started hesitating at takeoff. Not every time, but about 50% of the time, especially if you were to step on it a little bit. And then also passing, same deal. And I had the transmission looked over, no problems, not throwing any codes. Check engine light is not on. So I was doing some research. We put new plugs and wires in. So I'm looking all over online. I found one video on YouTube that said, if you're getting hesitation, check this thingy bobby right here out. And these Hondas are known for tearing right there. And then also down at the bottom, there's another really big tear. I don't know how well you can see it. And that right there will cause hesitation because it's sucking in too much air there. And because it's post sensor, it won't throw any check engine lights. So I'm just throwing this video out here so hopefully it can help somebody, because that's a cheap fix. That's just $30. Got the part right here from Honda, $32. So I'm gonna put this bad boy in and we'll see if it works. All right, it's out. And as you can see, it was a little bit more than just a crack. That's bad. Time to put the new one in. And it's simple, just screwdriver, pull this thing out, and it comes right out. I know I called it a thingamabobber, but this is called a air intake hose. That's what you gotta look up if you need to buy one. And she's in. Took me about 30 minutes. And I'm no mechanic, so if I can do it, anyone can do it. So if you're having transmission problems, that's where I would start. Well, unless it's the transmission, of course. But if it's just hesitating on takeoff, it's a good bet that could be it. I guess these Hondas are notorious for this, the CRVs and the Civics. So, this, like I said, this is the 2016. So I'm hoping that's going to fix it. From everything I've been reading online, I think it will. So if the YouTube gods brought you here and you're having this problem, there you go. Hopefully that helps you. See you guys next time. Peace.